Hello, my dear. You're on the Sanya channel in Florida. Today is February 28th. As always, a news report from the Ukrainian front. Today we'll go on the map as you like. There will be a lot of geomaterials, videos, and changes along the front line. Well, without further ado, let's go to the map of the Ukrainian front. Today there are 948 updates on the map. Let's talk about the most important thing. Well, first, the statement of the Ministry of Defense. Let's start with the Russian one. At this point, they say that the unit air defense systems shot down a Su-25 aircraft of the Ukrainian Air Force near Mikhailivka-Mykolaiv region. And the Ukrainian Ministry of Defense also claims that they shot down something there. They say they allegedly shot down 2 Su-34S and 4 reconnaissance aircraft. But again, all these statements, they are in text mode. There is no evidence. I'm unequivocal about this. If you shot down something, please show the evidence. And this applies to both ministries. Okay, let's return to the front line. Now in Poltava, there's been a strike on the territory of the military airfield. Based on the latest information, Sea King Mk-41 helicopters and Mi-8 SMB helicopters were destroyed. Look, this is a statement by the Russian Defense Ministry. There was a strike on an airbase approximately here. They say that 2 helicopters were destroyed. There was also a strike on an airbase near Poltava. Here, this is the airbase near Poltava. Again, the statement mentions that equipment was damaged, but does not specify what kind of equipment. Let's return now towards the direction of Kherson here. Let's move here on the map. This is where the geomaterial came from, this point. Actually, this time there is evidence of what happened here. The Russians began to use Elma in the Kherson direction. Earlier, such information usually came from the Donetsk direction. The Russian Elma was deployed here. It destroyed the drone control center of the Ukrainian armed forces in Sadovy. A Russian reconnaissance drone is closely monitoring where the Ukrainian drone will go next. Then, as Ukrainian drone operators pick him up, he is taken into the building. Well, of course, you've already figured out what's going to happen. This building is leveled to the ground by Elmer's precision hit. All this action is on your screen at this point. Next, Zaporizhia. Let's move along the line. Front on. Today, indeed, there is a lull. Rabotina remains in the gray area. Status works unknown. Neither side has complete control over Rabotin. Russian troops are on its southern outskirts, while Ukrainian troops are on the north. The Yuzhno-Donetsk direction. Now also geomaterial comes from this point, here near Urozhain. Here you can see the Russian air raid on your screens. Russian aviation destroys places. Concentration of infantry of the armed forces of Ukraine in Urozhain, most likely 500 FABs are used.